You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, you guys? So we made it to the Deepak Stadium. Stop laughing. And we are here with Living with the Laras and Luis Presents Live. You guys go check them out. And then Josh is wearing his angel stuff over here.
Bro, you got one too on and you're sipping on.
She has a Deepak shirt. Look at Ellie. You can't see it. And we're here to celebrate Doug's. Who is he? Oh.
Doug, say hi.
We're here to celebrate his birthday. But look at Maggie, how cute she looks.
Dude, we're at a TJLV Friday.
I know, this is so dope.
And you can just watch the game. We don't even need a ticket.
That's really cool.
I don't think you do. They didn't ask for it. No, we just walked in, dude. You just walk in and you can sit here and watch a freaking baseball game. So cool. So whose stadium's better already? Angels. Already. Angel Stadium.
I love the retractable.
Oh, we can go swimming in the fountain at Angel Stadium. Let's go open my roof so I can enjoy the sunshine. We can enjoy the nice 80-degree weather at Angel Stadium. 80 degrees. It's 72 degrees in here, year round. Walk in there. It's nice and cool. It's super nice and cool. Do you have flames that you shoot from center field? What's a flame? Flame. Flames? We have a sun that does it year round. real heat. Come on, let's go. The Cardinals suck. You have a winning record? Okay then. No. You're in the National League. You're in the National League. We have to face. The good thing about being an Angels fan is that your merchandise is on sale all year round. Yeah. That's because Sports Chalet went out of business in SoCal. He's gonna mean to me.
Why?
Because he doesn't like the Angels. Enjoying the game?
Yes, that was so close to me. I'm like,
It's close.
she loves it.
Yeah, she doesn't like it better than the Angel games though. What up, dude?
Maggie, are you having fun, honey? Look at your messy hair.
So the Diamondback game is over. Unfortunately, the Diamondbacks lost. I wish they would have won from their first time being here.
Yeah.
It's all good. It was fun.
It was so much fun.
I want to say thank you to Doug and Amy. My man right here brought us to the game for his birthday. And he bought Maggie
Look at this.
a little Diamondbacks ribbon.
No, they're
A
little
bow.
bows
Clips.
for her clips
Clips.
for her hair.
Thank you so much, man. You're welcome. And happy
Maggie.
birthday. Yeah, thank you.
Maggie seriously loves her.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys.
So it was really fun. Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
The stadium is so dope. The freaking
Dancing.
swimming pool in center field.
I love
Yeah,
it.
we
It's
love it.
beautiful.
It's awesome. I love that it's enclosed, so there's air conditioning.
It's
Yeah.
awesome.
So it was fun. She's so hot right now.
This thing is the
I was
light.
talking about you.
Somebody's trying to pop that air mattress.
Hey, this is a family vlog. You're so hot, Mama.
So hot, huh, Mama? You eat that
Oh my god, her eyes with this?
It's gorgeous. Thank you.
Just to think that you paid 10 bucks for this. Dude, I got it here for free. Look at that's untouched. Dude. Is there any sauce?
You're a good guy.
There's barbecue right there.
No, please don't put in the sauce, Jordan. That's, no.
No, you don't know if No, I can't do sauce. I can't do sauce. There's some ketchup up there. You know. It's your turn.
No, Jordan, no.
There you go, dude.
No.
Some dessert. I'll split it with you.
No.
This is nothing bad. It's all wet when you go in there. Happy birthday!
Josh! No! Josh, you guys are awful.
It's delicious. How is it? It's still fresh, right? Yeah. Made this morning. Yeah. Why does it taste like beer, bro? It does not. That's disgusting. It tastes like beer. You want something? You want to kiss me now?
No, hell no. So we came to this market to get some spicy noodles.
No, let's do the 2 times spicy.
Yes, do the 2 times.
I've tried that one.
So you haven't tried this?
I haven't tried that one. Let's do that one.
They said people are passing out.
Yeah, with that one. Seriously, they are.
People are passing out.
I searched it up.
Tim Delgado's dad did it.
Hell yeah, you have to do it.
I'm gonna do it.
No,
Are you gonna do it?
I'll do it.
Okay, we'll half it then.
I'll try it. I'll try it.
Okay guys, with the glare, I thought they were selling meth. I was like, damn. It's a hardcore store, bro. Huh?
I'm not gonna be. This is me, but it smells really weird.
It's just like there's a lot of seafood right here.
Yeah,
and it smells really funky. I can't stand, I love seafood, but I can't stand the smell. Like it's too strong.
I love this store though. I love like seeing things from different places in the world.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
I agree. You want to see, like, we found this at the store and it's like, we found this thing at the store and it's like, it's like really rare. Look, here it is right here.
Cooked salted duck egg?
Hell no.
Hell no, dude.
Hell no.
Look, Maggie. 6 little duckies went swimming one day and they died and got boiled.
And now they're being eaten.
Now they're being eaten.
What?
Look at the head. There's the head.
What?
What is it?
It's a chicken.
Jordan, do you want to eat some cream colon?
Oh, extra creamy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard on the outside, soft on the inside.
Damn.
That's what it says.
How do you do it?
This is why we brought it out.
Put your feet on the, yeah. Don't, he's gonna make it do a wheelie.
But you gotta move your hips too. Go, dude, go. Get the hang of it.
You're a boss like me.
Jonathan's really messed yourself up on that one side.
I went down and I used to be a scaredy cat.
Give yourself a little push.
John! You get all Molly.
Move your hips too, like your feet. Like this, dude. Look.
Hey, get up. Well, I'm out of breath on that.
Hi there.
Oh my god.
Josh, kick yourself like twice.
Do it, Josh.
Alright.
Oh fuck.
Come on, Cynthia. Kick yourself like a good kick. Ay, Dios. Cynthia. You don't even kick yourself to go.
Wait, you don't know how to ride a bike?
No.
Oh my god. Well, I have a bike.
I've never like roller skated.
Go. Kick yourself.
Do a bunny
Like
hop.
run a little bit. Like.
I'll hit with that crook right there. I'll go.
Yeah, go that way.
There's hair in my mouth.
You miss having one of those?
No.
I'm good at
Yeah, see?
There you
and
go.
now move
Now
it.
move your. There you go. Better than Josh.
Yeah, way better. I was about to say, what?
Better than
Yes. That's fun, huh? Go, Josh.
Oh, my kid. It's like as high as it can go.
No, like, put your knees down. Oh my god.
That's so funny. Oh shit, he broke it.
¿Qué es eso?
It's alerting us.
What is it
There
saying,
is a dust storm to pull aside and stay alive.
Wait, what does it say? dusk or morning till 8 p.m. Remember, pull aside and stay alive. Oy, stay alive.
Stop it real quick.
Stay alive.
You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Staying up late, making it right, living it up to my name. Focus on doing it better. You just be doing the same, you doing it lame. I'm doing like everything changed. Forget all the money, forget all the fame. I still would've done it if they would've played all of the music I make every day. Like whoa, crazy the way the world goes. Blind when you look at it close. Zoom out when you viewing the picture. Perspective is all that.
Come on, bruh.